This guy made $63,000 in 30 days by running Celebrity News Channel. Here's the screenshot of his earnings, too. Look at this channel, Access Hollywood. They are uploading multiple videos daily on celeb gossip, and their Social Blade says they are receiving 20 million views per month and earning thousands of dollars. Celebrity news is always in demand. Millions are searching for the latest gossip, scandals, and exclusive details. Tapping into this can unlock a viral goldmine, but timing is key. The right trend at the right moment can make all the difference. Top channels are generating thousands per month, but it's not easy. It takes strategy, consistency, and knowing exactly when to strike. But don't worry, I'll show you how you can double your reach and succeed in this space. Keep watching, and I'll tell you exactly how to do it. If you want to build a channel like this, it's all about timing and strategy. With the right approach, you can generate incredible income, just like he did. But the road to success isn't as simple as it sounds. Let's talk about how you can get started with the first step, ideation. The first and most important step is selecting the right topic. Don't just pick any random celebrity news, focus on trending topics. To find these, monitor social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. If a celebrity is going through a breakup or releasing something big, that's the opportunity to grab attention. Jumping on hot topics means a higher chance for your content to go viral. For example, if there's a breakup news, people will be eager to click on your video for the latest scoop. Now, how do you take this idea and turn it into a solid script? Here's how we do it. We go to Google News to check which celebrity is trending, pick one that catches our eye, and then we generate the content idea using ChatGPT. For instance, we can prompt ChatGPT with "Generate a trending celebrity news script on celebrity name," focusing on their recent news such as a breakup, new project, or social media activity. With this, we quickly get the core of the story and are ready to craft an engaging script. Once you have the topic, scripting is the next big step. A great script will hook your audience right from the start. Start with a strong hook like, "You won't believe what just happened," to celebrity name. This creates curiosity right off the bat. Next, provide the details but leave some suspense for the end. You want to build mystery while giving enough context to keep the viewers engaged. For example, with a topic about a shocking celebrity breakup, you could start with, "In an unexpected twist, celebrity name announces they are ending their relationship with partner name." This instantly draws people in. Once the basic structure is in place, it's time to enhance it further. Go to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, "Create a compelling script for a celebrity news video about a shocking breakup." Make it engaging with suspense and curiosity. This will generate a script that's both dramatic and informative, but you can always tweak it based on your style. The more detailed the prompt, the better the output. With the script ready, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. Let's dive into that next. Now that you've selected your topic and generated the script, let's move to the next step, adding a professional voiceover to make your video more engaging. Trust me, this little hack will take your videos to the next level, and I'll show you exactly how in just a bit. First, log in to 11 Labs. Here's where the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll see an interface like this. I've already generated the script with ChatGPT and pasted it here in 11 Labs. I've also selected the voice I like, but here's a cool trick to make your videos stand out. Before hitting generate, make sure to set pitch and these settings right. Now hit generate and see how multiple voices come together. Once your voiceover is ready, simply download it. Now it's time to bring everything together, script, voiceover, and visuals during the editing phase. Editing is where your content really comes to life. You don't need expensive software. CapCut is free, simple, and powerful. First, open CapCut and click on New Project. Import a dark background image or a simple visual that fits your story's tone. This will serve as the foundation of your video. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Now let's start importing the assets. First, drag and drop your voiceover into the timeline. After doing this, listen through the audio and trim any unnecessary pauses or empty spaces. CapCut makes this easy by letting you zoom in on the timeline for precise cuts. Next, add your visuals. For celebrity news videos, you'll need images and video clips related to your topic. For example, if you're talking about Rihanna and the Kardashians, search for images of them online. Be sure to use high-quality visuals that will grab attention. Drag and drop these images into the timeline, making sure they line up with the narration. As you continue, keep syncing your visuals to match each segment of the voiceover. This keeps the viewer engaged, as they'll always have something new to look at as the story progresses. Don't forget transitions. Add smooth transitions between your clips. You can select transitions from the Effects tab and choose something subtle, like a fade or slide. This makes the video flow naturally and keeps it from feeling too abrupt. To keep your video even more dynamic, add zoom-in effects to your images or video clips. For instance, if you're showing a picture of Rihanna, zooming in slightly as you talk about her can make the image feel more alive and engaging. Next, let's focus on the audio. You want your background music to complement the voiceover without overpowering it. Import the music you've generated using AI tools like Suno and add it to the timeline. Lower the volume of the music to about 30% so it's subtle but still gives the video a nice atmosphere. Once the music is set, CapCut allows you to add text or captions to make the video more accessible. Go to the Text tab and select Auto Captions. This feature will automatically generate captions for your voiceover, syncing them perfectly with the audio. After your captions are in place, make sure they're readable. Adjust the font size, color, and positioning as needed. Also, choose a style that complements the tone of the video. Something modern or clean works best. Once everything is synced and edited, review the video to make sure it flows seamlessly. Watch for any awkward pauses, rough transitions, or visual inconsistencies. If you're happy with the final product, click Export and set the resolution to 4K to ensure maximum video quality.
Media mogul David Geffen, though not an actor himself, is deeply entwined in Hollywood circles. At age 82, he's embroiled in a highly public and bitter divorce from Donovan Michaels, a former model over 50 years his junior. Their roughly 2-year marriage, sparked in 2016, is collapsing without a prenuptial agreement, leading to legal warfare over promises Michael alleges and claims that most of Geffen's $9 billion fortune remains untouchable under California law. The split is with Donovan Michaels, a former model in his early 30s who is more than 5 decades younger than Geffen. Their relationship, which reportedly began around 2016, turned into marriage a few years later. Despite the apparent affection and companionship between them, cracks in the foundation have now widened into full-blown legal warfare.
Consistency is key when building an audience. Upload videos regularly, at least a few times a week, and don't forget about YouTube Shorts. Shorts are perfect for viral moments, just like creating a quick, attention-grabbing video with a headline like Rihanna's latest move shocks the Kardashians. Here's where VMaker AI HUD comes in. It can easily turn your long-form content into shorts for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok in just a few simple steps. First, upload your video and choose the aspect ratio and duration. Then, add a few keywords, and let VMaker AI generate highlights based on virality scores for each platform. Customize your video by adding animated subtitles and effects, then export it. By posting consistently, you improve your chances of reaching more people and increasing your subscriber base. But consistency alone isn't enough. Engagement is the secret to getting people talking about your channel. Engagement makes all the difference. Responding to comments, asking questions, and interacting with your audience gets them involved and keeps them coming back. One of the best ways to grow your channel is by making your audience feel like they're a part of your community. You can do this by responding to their comments, holding polls, or even making videos based on their suggestions. By fostering a sense of community, you encourage your viewers to share your content and engage even more, which leads to higher reach and more subscribers. Now, let's talk about how you can ensure the long-term success of your channel. Stay consistent, keep engaging with your fans, and continue posting viral celebrity news content. Over time, you'll build a loyal audience that looks forward to your videos. By following these steps, you can create a successful celebrity news channel that has the potential to go viral. From ideation to scripting, voiceover, editing, and consistency, each step plays a crucial role in ensuring your videos get the attention they deserve. Ready to start? The celebrity world is waiting for you to make your move.